Welcome to my channel Wheel of Wisdom. Want to create eye-catching posters that score high in exams? Let's break it down step by step. A poster is a visual medium to spread information, promote events, or raise awareness. It should be bold, attractive, and informative. A good poster includes the following key elements: title heading, catchy and bold, content, key message or details, slogans, taglines, pictures or symbols, date, time, venue, if it's event-based, contact info, issuing authority, optional. Tips to keep in mind: keep it neat and colorful, use capital letters for headings. Don't overcrowd the space, use symbols or illustrations to support your message. Stay within the word limit, 50 words max. Let's see it in action. Here's a simple poster on Say No to Plastic. Watch how we add the heading, slogans, images, and finishing touches. Step 1: write a heading. Remember to make it bold and catchy. Step 2: add a short and crisp slogan. Step 3: add the main content. It should not exceed 50 words. Step 4: add some eye-catching visuals. Step 5: now add the organization, group or individual issuing the poster. Here's the finished example of the poster we have been designing. If you like the video, consider subscribing to my channel.